What are your thoughts right now with Twitter management? Do you think that they can fix their model? I think you were on last time, so kind of talked about what needs to happen.
Yeah, I mean, I think over the last 2+ years, management has inflicted so much damage on its model that we really can't see a way to fix it. And what we mean by that is that if we think about what the Twitter story was pre-Dorsey regime, they were largely scared of the street. And because of that, they did whatever they can to chase consensus estimates. And what I mean by that is rampant increases in ad load. Now, the problem with that ad load is that it pushed a lot of its users away.
Yeah.
And we had run a fairly large survey back in August of 2015, and the main takeaway there was that Twitter had churned through almost 40% of all of its US registered users. Now, when we think about the long-term trajectory for a company that needs those users and/or engagement in place, or a growing base of users to drive its long-term revenue growth, Twitter's now at a point where they're flatlining on the user growth side. Yeah. So from a longer-term trajectory, the growth story is compromised because there's only so much Twitter can actually increase ad load, especially since the street's demanding upside in the user growth. And that's always been the problem with the story, is that their monetization engine, being ad load, was in direct conflict with its user growth.
Got it.
Two factors working against each other. So as far as fixing the longer term story, we've thought about it a lot because if Twitter could figure this out, there's a ton of upside here.
Yeah.
Just given how badly the stock's been dinged throughout its public history, we just can't see it. Not yet, at least.